Miss Lundy.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Lundy for the people.
Folks, you're going to need to quiet down. Court calls case People versus Larzell, Washington.
Good morning, Your Honor. But don't let the polite greetings fool you. This courtroom is about to spiral into chaos. We're stumbling over issues right from the jump, and it's clear this won't be a smooth ride. But the real question beneath it all is, who's truly responsible here? Stick around, because things are about to get very interesting.
Good morning, Edward Davis on behalf of Larzell, Washington.
How you doing, Your Honor?
I'm doing great. What's your name?
Larzell in Washington.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Your Honor, we had referred this over to the recovery court. I spoke with them and they indicated that they've in receipt of all the information to do an intake. However, they have not done that interview. That interview could be completed within the week. Like if we could have a 1-week adjournment.
Probable cause conference, May 22nd, 2025, 9 a.m. bound continue. Court calls case People versus Marquise Fab.
Oh, excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Can I please have a word? With all due respect.
I think Mr. Washington would like to address bond.
Excuse me, Miss.
Go ahead.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is Larzell near Washington. First and foremost, forgive me about my outbreak last time I was here.
Can I have that file?
Thank
Go
you,
ahead.
sir. Thank you, sir. What happened was I wasn't aware, as my attorney indicated, what day was my probable cause hearing was. Okay, I went back to the magistrate. They said, no, well, we're gonna let Judge Simpson handle it. Then last time I came here, it was a 2-week hold.
All right, let's unpack the blame game. Washington's standing there acting clueless, like he didn't miss his court date because someone else dropped the ball. Sure, life happens, people miss appointments, but when you're constantly pointing fingers at them, it stops sounding like bad luck and starts sounding like a rehearsed script. He's not taking responsibility. He's deflecting, hoping everyone will just go along with it. The real question is, who's letting this slide? And why does he think he can keep dodging consequences without ever being held accountable?
They didn't do their job. I feel I shouldn't have to
They
leave.
didn't. Who didn't do their job?
What you say? You gave him a plea.
The recovery court?
Well, I didn't ask for no recovery court, but whatever assessment you gave him, it was 2 weeks, and the honorable judge said, okay, well, I'm not going to change his bond. Now, you still didn't indicate I was looking for a bond. And I wasn't even aware of a drug court. So with all due respect, I do appreciate you, but I did, unfortunately, miss my court date.
Right.
I was.
And then how'd you come into custody?
Oh, I came into custody? What? Trying to be a good Samaritan. Some woman was being stalked, and they figured out what my name was, and I totally forgot. I really didn't know what court date it was. And I was disciplined for the first, and in discipline, well, not necessarily discipline. You allowed it to, override until they took care of their situation. But it's not my fault.
So who is they?
Would you explain to him?
Well, I think I got to collect more of that story.
Okay, you gave him a piece of paper about assessment along with a plea.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I get here today, the assessment not taken care of. Right?
You just want them to speed up the process.
No,
I think
not them. It's not his fault. He's a judge.
Mm-hmm.
Thank
you. Thank you. Thank you. That's right. Nothing is my fault.
No, yes, it's not.
That's right. I know.
Amen. So I'm saying, I'm just trying to, sir, live my life. I normally work carnival shows. I have really been disciplined for not being aware of to show up. I'm not dumb enough not to show up again.
Excuse me one moment. Whose phone is that? It's somebody down there's phone. Is her Tana's phone? Really? Go ahead, sir.
And I'm not ignorant enough not to show up in front of Judge Simpson courtroom again.
And here we are again, back in court with Washington, who's now asking for everything to be reset because he missed an assessment due to his own oversight. And when things don't go his way, it's suddenly everyone else's fault. His excuse of the day? He was just being a good Samaritan. Look, it doesn't matter if you're out saving the world. You still have a responsibility to show up. These repeated excuses are starting to feel like a cycle of avoidance, and frankly, the courtroom seems to be playing along. At what point does someone finally hold him to a higher standard?
I think he is saying that he would show up to court next time. He's asking for a PR bond.
Yes, I am, sir.
If the court would not provide a PR bond at this time, if the court would allow an interview to take place, if that interview takes place, then the court provide a PR bond.
I never said that. I asked, could you please provide a PR bond? And I will.
I addressed this the last time you were here.
What was it about?
I think they're gonna keep you in.
All right, man. You're fired. God bless you. And thank you, Your Honor.
Why is he fired?
Because he's not speaking up for me. I really don't even know what's going on.
Oh, it would, okay, so did you understand before you make that final decision about firing him? It
Well,
wouldn't have mattered whether you spoke or he spoke. I'm denying your motion. I've already
okay.
heard it.
well, I don't know. Why are you denying the motion? And what's so funny?
Because
Wow.
because you appeared here, didn't show up, didn't turn yourself in, got picked up, got brought here.
Yes.
That's how we got you back.
And the man.
So I'm not releasing.
Now here's the cherry on top. The judge shuts him down with a firm no on the PR bond. And how does Washington respond? With yet another round of complaints, blaming everyone else for not doing their job. Let's take a step back. He skips his hearing, then complains when he doesn't get the bond he wanted, as if the court is supposed to work around his schedule. Washington has truly mastered the art of shifting blame while dodging any real responsibility. But at this point, you've got to wonder, what's it going to take for him to finally own his part in this mess?
Right. The
Now-
magistrate
Okay, so
did not release me, and then
that's right.
you didn't release me
That's
because
right.
you wait for assessment. Am I
And I
correct?
haven't had the assessment yet. Have I?
Exactly. So is it my fault you haven't had assessment? Is it your fault?
It's my fault? I thought nothing was my fault.
So whose fault is it?
I don't know.
But it's not mine. You do agree.
No, I don't agree.
The assessment, do I?
I don't know whose fault it is. It hasn't happened. I'm done.
Pretty much. God bless you.
Thank
And
you, Ron.
you.
Thank you, Ron.
Now we're really getting to the heart of the matter. Washington still hasn't understood that he needs to meet the system halfway. He continues to act like his entire situation is someone else's fault. But let's be honest, how many chances does one person get before they're expected to take ownership of their actions? The court keeps bending over backward to accommodate his needs, but at some point, we have to ask, where's the accountability, and when does the system finally say enough is enough?
Why are you up here at my, why are you at my podium? Why are you at my podium? Next time, Tana, turn your phone up louder when that's going on.
And then it was.
Did I call your case?
Yes, you did. You called, Mr. Babb, Marquise Babb.
Oh, that was so long ago. You're right. You are right, Miss Cannon. And I usually criticize you for not getting up here on time. And I have to give you credit that you're like early.
Got it, Judge.
Court calls the case, people say to Michigan versus Babb.
That is done on behalf of the people, Your Honor.
Stephanie Cannon, on behalf of Mr. Babb, who should be appearing by Zoom. Oh, thank God.
Mr. Babb?
Please be there. So what had happened?
Marquise Bab, you need to unmute and turn on your camera. Every week, Cannon. Every week.
I was doing my part today.
Never mind. I'm gonna say something. This is practicing law by janaza. That's what you're doing right now.
At this point, Washington has been given every opportunity to turn things around, yet all we see are more excuses and blame shifted everywhere but himself. The deeper issue isn't just his behavior. It's a system that's failing to function as it should. Instead of enforcing accountability, it's allowing people to slip through the cracks and avoid even the most basic standards of responsibility. Is that really justice? Or just a broken system rewarding the same bad behavior over and over again?
This is
Great, he got it.
yes, I can relate. This is so you. You're like, what? Oh, uh-oh. Mr. Bab?
Yes, sir, Judge.
All right, you got your camera on?
You need the camera as well?
Yes, Mr. Babb.
All right. Ms. Harvey, can you state your name?
No, I can't. You got my last name, Michelle. Where are you? Where are you?
I met with you in jail yesterday.
Look, if it's gonna skip, okay, yeah, okay.
All right. You're Miss Harvey?
Yeah.
Okay. You're seeking an adjournment?
I am, Your Honor.
No, not you. I'm not Miss Harvey. People don't miss Harvey. I'm Harvey. I'm Harvey like that. People don't miss me, but I'm Harvey.
Okay,
Miss Harvey, I'm
maybe
Harvey.
she doesn't want to be addressed as a Mrs.
Understood.
I know miss. People don't misses me or nothing. I'm the Harvey.
Sorry about that.
My apologies.
Okay.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned June 5th, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond continued.
We'll be in touch, Harvey, okay?
When?
I'll come
Excuse
visit
me,
you.
what's going on?
We just adjourned your case. Winona, remember we spoke yesterday and you said
Until when?
Which date did you get?
June 5th.
June
Sorry.
5th, you want to see me?
No, I'm going to see you before then.
Look, I'm not going back. I can't go back to the conference room. That hurt my back a lot. That room you took me in hurt my back a lot.
Okay. I'm going to let you talk to your attorney some other place, okay?
Okay,
Thank you. Shut her, please.
As the judge concludes the hearing, it raises a critical question: who's truly getting a fair shot? Washington's case highlights a justice system that seems to go out of its way to accommodate, yet often overlooks accountability. If you believe it's time to hold individuals responsible for their actions and push for a system that genuinely delivers justice, hit subscribe and join the movement.